Hello and welcome for the data analysis using Excel course. And I'll quickly take you through the course contents of this course. As I take you all through the course contents, right? Okay, so this is what you have as far as today's project is concerned. The overall course is concerned. It's the data sciences course using data analysis. We'll be conducting data analysis using Microsoft Excel. And as an intensive live class, we'll be going through the course contents quickly. So as I go on the course contents, we'll be installing the data analysis add-ins in Microsoft Excel. And then we'll also be looking at the different ways of generating descriptives that will be using the formulae and add-ins as well. We'll thereafter analyze data and generate descriptives. And then finally, we'll be interpreting the descriptives as to what all is this supposed to mean. What is the average that we are seeing? So that is the course contents that we are having. And what I did is I have opened this file from the stated location. And out here, we have the different parameters. These parameters are for the pistachio that we are trying to analyze, or the data for which we are trying to analyze. And so out here, let us do one thing. Let us prepare two separate worksheets so that it is good enough for you all. Analysis perspective also, you all will also have some more data to work upon. So I'm opening a new worksheet out here and I'm pasting it here, Control V. But I've not pasted the headers. One moment. Right, so we are taking these headers and I'm posting them over here. So I rename the sheet as what? Or rename it as what? Sit, and this will be renamed as what? Kirmizi. So these are we have segregated both the pistachios, different types of pistachio worksheets, so that will be easier for you all to understand and analyze. So now fine, quickly, let us start with installing the add-ins. So we have opened the worksheet and I'll scroll down on to options. I click on options. I'm going very slowly so that you all don't miss out anything. I should do it again for you all, so that is not going to be a problem, but still. Again, the Excel options opens up over here. I click on add-ins. And out here, we can read here, active application add-ins. These are the inactive ones. Now, these are active because I already installed them. Okay, I already installed these add-ins. So that's why they are active over here. So you click, if had they not been active, then they would have appeared in the inactive application add-ins. So if I click on, suppose, Euro currency tools and I click go, okay, so then it will appear in the active applications add-ins. So once you see the analysis Toolpak, you can click on analysis Toolpak. You can see out here, you can see these are what? These are the different types of add-ins they have provided. There are COM add-ins also if I select it. But no, we are selecting this as Excel add-in and I click go. Now we can see here, I have already selected them. Okay. Why am I saying these are already selected? Because if I click here on data, I click here on data, you can see this data analysis over here. If you can see the data analysis over here, this means that if you'll see it on your computer screens, you'll probably might not have this add-in installed unless you all may have done earlier. So this I have installed, so that's why it appears here. In your case, probably it might not be if you all haven't installed the add-in. So again, coming back, I click on File, I scroll down on Options, I scroll down, I selected the Analysis Toolpak, and then I click on Excel add-ins. I click Go. So out here, this window opens up, and let us also add Euro currency tools and solver add-in. This is not part of the data analysis that we are doing, but It's just to show you all that how these two add-ins will also come up on the screen. So I'm adding these two, Analysis Toolpak and Analysis Toolpak VBA. I click OK. So out here you can see there is something. See, now you can see there is a solver here. There is an outline. So once the add-ins are installed, you will see them appearing over here in the data menu out here on the far right side of your buttons.